Hi, good afternoon. This is Mike from Mike's Model Railways. Just going to give you a quick update on the progress I've made. I said back along on my last video, I said that I was going to make a baseboard in my new garden shed that I've got built. Right, the next step is to show you what I've done. It's a way to go yet, but I'll just spin the camera around. Right, I'm inside my shed now. I said I've insulated it. I've got electrics in here. I've made the baseboard. Spent the last couple of days getting that all sorted. Its total length is about 7 foot long by 3 foot 6 wide. And I've also got a extra piece that I've made that the wife has decided that she's going to put some of her bird stuff on, but it's originally built from my layout, so I shall be grabbing it back, don't you worry. But let's say I've got all the electrics done. The baseboard is now complete, so the next thing will be to bring the grass mats and then any bits and pieces track, and let's say that'll be the planning stage of it. Let's say the last 3 or 4 days I've been doing this, well, no, 2 days, 3 days, but it's come along good. I'm happy with it. So until the next update, it's bye for now, and hopefully I'll speak to you in the next few days, maybe next week. Take care. Bye for now. Bye.